Before you install the trap for the first time, you can already have the cassette inserted. But when you come in to change out the cassettes, you're going to want to unplug, grasp with both hands right near the plug and pull apart. The fan turns off. There are two release pins, one on either side. They're held in with an eyelet, so you don't have to worry about losing them. And then pull it off. The cassette is going to sit in right here. Pull out the ring. You can sit it on the top of the battery box. Always remember to wear gloves since this is not the real thing. I'm not going to use them today. Take it out of the bag.
Go.
Push the cassette in until it stops. Put the hold-in ring back in. And there is only one way it fits. If you notice that this is on this side, so if you face it to you, there will also be a mark on the outside showing where to line it up. Pop it back in. Last step, plug it back in. There's only one way it plugs in. Wait until you hear the fan going.